Hi everybody! We're so glad to see you again in our channel. For today, we have a very simple but very delicious and cheesy recipe. Have you ever noticed how empanadas look like little moons? That's why we decided to make some empanadas Sailor Moon style. So, by the power of the moon, let's make some empanadas. One of the best things about empanadas is that you can fill them out with practically anything. That's right, you can get as creative as you like. It doesn't have to be only with cheese. You can add meat, fish, tomato, avocado, chicken, beans. Another good thing about empanadas is that they are perfect for breakfast, dinner, sometimes even lunch, snacks, parties, whatever you like. By the way, if you hate eating fried food, fritters, you can try baking them in the oven. I have never actually done that, but I guess there's always a first time. And voila! You got yourself a whole plate of empanadas, or like we like to call them, mini moons. Alright, so Remy, why don't you smell one of these? Tell us what you think.
Yum, yum.
Oh, definitely. These smell so good. I can't wait to eat them. Oh, by the way, I just realized I had actually forgotten to use my apron. Fortunately, I realized that just before frying these. I couldn't wear my hat today because it didn't fit because of my hair, But anyway, I guess I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you so much for joining us again. Bye!
I really loved this episode. What do you think about the episode, Pluto? Yeah, totally agree with you. That's English, by the way. Remember to subscribe to Easy Cheesy. We're looking forward for a new recipe with more cheese. Ayo, 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 ayo.